Good morning, students. Today I am going to start new lesson 12, exponents and powers. In this lesson, we study about the laws of exponent and write very small and very big numbers in a scientific notation. Okay. First of all, you know what is exponent. Exponent is known as power or index. Means when you multiply any integer by itself many times, then you write that number in a short form, that is called exponential form or power notation. Like when you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, you write it in a short form 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, where 2 is base and 3 is exponent or power or index. Okay, like when you write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 2 3 4 5 times, you write it 1 upon 2 raised to power 5, where 1 by 2 is a base and 5 is the exponent. This is exponential form of this expression. Clear? And in scientific notation, when you write any numbers in the form of product of numbers 1 to 10 and integral power of 10, that is called scientific notation. Like you want to write 5 lakhs, 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. In the scientific notation, you write 5 into 10 to power 5. 5 into 10 to power 5. This is scientific notation which is written in the form of product numbers between 1 to 10 and integral power of 10. Clear? If you want to write this 0.00005 in the scientific notation, then this is also written, this is very small number, this is also written in scientific notation. You write down 5 into, because here is after decimal 1 2 3 4 5 digit, then when you multiply 10 to power 5, it is converted into whole number which value is 5, and when you divide it by 10 to power 5, you get 10 to power minus 5. This is also scientific notation because it is written in the form of the product numbers between 1 to 10, that is 5, and integral power of 10. Clear? Then I want to discuss laws of exponent. Laws of exponent which is used to solve the exercise 1 or questions related to exponent and powers. Like first, laws of exponent. Log the exponents. First, a raised to power m into a raised to power m, that is a raised to power m plus n. This is your first law. When you multiply the exponential number whose base are same and they are multiplied to each other, then that power will be added. This means a raised to power m into a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Second, a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equal to a into b raised to power m, because power is common but base is not same, not common. Third, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m minus n. When you divided exponential numbers whose base are same, that power will be subtracted. Fourth, when a raised to power m raised to power m, that is equal to a raised to power mn. When you multiply power to power, when you simplify a number which is in the exponential form and that has also a power, then that power will be multiplied. And when any number whose power is 0, that value is 1. And 6, when exponential form is in the negative, a to power minus n, that is also written 1 upon a to power n. Okay, these are the laws of exponent. Like when you multiply 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, you get 2 raised to power 3 plus 2, that is 2 raised to power 5. When you multiply 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2, you get 2 into 3 raised to power 2, that is 6 raised to power 2. And when you divide 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 2, you get 2 raised to power 3 minus 2, that is 2 raised to power 1, that is equal to 2. And when you use this law, 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2, you get 2 raised to power 3 into 2, that is 2 raised to power 6. And by using this law, you get when 2 raised to power 0, that value is 1. And when 2 raised to power minus 2, you write down 1 upon 2 to power 2. Okay, these are the uses of exponent. Student, exercise 12.1. Your first question is evaluate. Exercise 12.1. First question is evaluate. Evaluate 3 raised to power minus 2. 3 raised to power minus 2 means you find out the value of 3 to power minus 2. For this, first of all, convert this exponent in negative exponent in positive exponent. You write down this is 1 upon 3 to power 2. When you transpose any exponent from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, that sign will be changed. Means 3 raised to power minus 2 is written 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. And when you simplify this, you also write this in the form of 1 upon 3 to power 2. And you write down 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3, that is 1 upon 9. This is your answer. Clear? Second part is minus 4 raised to power minus 2. Minus 4 raised to power minus 2. You write down in a positive notation. You write 1 upon minus 4 to power 2. This is minus 1 upon 4 to power 2. You get minus 1 upon 4 into minus 1 upon 4. When you multiply minus into minus, you get plus. And 1 into 1, 1, 4 into 4, 16. 1 upon 16. It is your answer. And third part is 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 5. 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 5. You write down in a positive notation. You convert 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. That power will be positive. Means 2 to power 5. You get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. You get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. It is your answer. So number 2, simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. That first part is minus 4 raised to power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to power 8. When you use laws of exponent, here is base is 6 and division sign is here. Then we use a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m, that is a raised to power m minus n. Like this, you write minus 4 to power 5 minus 8. You get minus 4 to power 8 minus 5, that is minus 3. Then you convert this exponent in negative exponent in positive exponent. You write down 1 upon minus 4 to power 3. You also write this in the form of 1 upon minus 1 upon 4 to power 3. It is your answer. Second part is 1 upon 2 to power 3. Second part is 1 upon 2 to power 3 and whole power is 2. You write down this in exponential form with positive exponent. You write 1 upon 2 to power 3 to power 2. You get 1 upon 2 to power 3 into 2, that is 1 upon 2 to power 6. It is your answer. Question number 2, third part is minus 3 raised to power 4 into 5 by 3 raised to power 4. You simplify this by using laws of exponent a to power m into b to power m, that is equal to a into b to power m. You write down minus 3 into 5 upon 3, that's power is 4. 3 is cancelled here, you get minus 5 raised to power 4. This is your exponential form in positive exponent. That's question number 2. Fourth part is 3 raised to power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to power minus 10 in the bracket, then you write into 3 raised to power minus 5. You simplify this expression and write down in a power notation with positive exponent. First of all, you simplify the bracket by using the law a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m, that is equal to a raised to power m minus m. You write down 3 raised to power minus 7 minus 10. Then you write 3, carry this 3 raised to power minus 5. You get 3 raised to power minus 7, and when you open this bracket you get minus 7 plus 10. Minus 7 plus 10 into 3 raised to power minus 5. You write down, when you simplify this expression you get 3 raised to power 3. 10 minus 7, that is 3, and 3 raised to power minus 5. You use here the law of exponent a raised to power m into a raised to power m, that is a raised to power m plus m. 3 raised to power 3 plus minus 5. You get 3 raised to power minus 2. When you simplify 3 plus minus 5, you get minus 2. And you write this in a positive exponent. You write down 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. That is equal to 1 upon 3